So should we try our first thing where we intentionally get an Artemis boon in the beginning? Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and do a crit build. Let's see what we can do here.
For me?
Yes, yes, for you.
My foster brother's wayward son appears. I too once lost a child, Zagreus. I was quite foolish with her from the start. Her father was a base-born farm boy, worshipped me. He's gone as well, of course.
Wait a minute.
Only the cold remains.
Wait. Foster brother's wayward son. You lost a child. Foolish with her. Is she talking about Persephone? Hey.
What'd he say, hun? I mean about the song.
He loved it.
But I don't know for sure, and I've been wondering. Kind of a lot, I guess.
Okay, okay.
No need to wonder any longer. He sings it beautifully around the house sometimes. It has a sadder sound to it than when you sing, but you've inspired him again. As you've done many times before, from what I know.
So it's a hit, is what you're saying.
It is a hit.
I had a feeling about that one.
Yeah.
Sometimes you put some words together, and right then and there, you know you've got something special.
Awesome. All right, so let's double down on the rarity,
Sure thing.
and let's try to basically roll into Artemis as often as possible.
You two ready for me then?
Dang, that crit damage though.
Power couple.
All right.
Once you arrive, we'll have to find for you a suitable mate, won't we? Fine young man.
Duo!
Normally, there's much to choose from around.
Duo!
Some exceptions, of course, such as my cunning daughter Artemis, willfully uninclined to take a mate at all.
I think we're getting a duo, guys. And why are you trying to set me up with Artemis? She don't need no man. Duo, 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 come on. Yes, yes.
All these perfect, chiseled prospects are about yearning to marry or embarrass me. For some reason, I prefer to spend my time mostly alone or with my nymph friends in the woods.
Wonder why that is, Zeus. Okay, okay. That's awesome. So we can just let them sit there and they'll just go out. All right, let's try it. All right. Oh, it's one of the best? Really? All right, then let's go. Yeah, let's just go all health here. Yeah. It was boss next, so for just my own sake, this is why I did this. And I'm doing a melee build against this guy, so
You touch me, and I shall have your head.
I just want to see if I just leave those there, if he'll just die. Yeah, he'll just die. Whoa. Oh my god. Wait, that duo one is way better than I thought it was. I mean, infinitely better. Because if the boss is one that's not going to move around too much, or I just keep them in an environment, I can just leave my cast there and he'll just... Whoa. Oh, here's their Daedalus hammer. Here we go. All right. Hammer time. Yo! Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho. Oh my god. Whoa! Whoa! Your thrust deals triple damage and has a 40% critical chance. That's just an automatic crit at this point. Because our regular attack is going to be 15% plus 15% again, So that's 30%. So 70%. Wow. Yeah, here we go. All right, so now let's try just leaving these here. And then just kiting enemies around. Nice. Oh my god. It doesn't work like that. That is nuts. All right, Asterius. Prepare to get deleted.
Having to fight against me, short one. I too have come to look forward to it, even if I end up falling to your strength.
Honorable, and I respect that, good sir.
Oh, I was going to say I'd much prefer we settle this more amicably, couldn't we? Perhaps I could interest you in a fine bottle of nectar.
Can we? Can we gift him? Can we gift him?
No, thank you.
Oh.
Battles are enough.
Okay, fine, fine.
One that ambrosia from us, fair and square.
All right, here we go, guys.
Not now.
All right, let's just let him rock himself out due to my my stuff here. Hey, buddy. Just you keep doing that, man. Oh, it's not even fair. It's not even fair. I just ran around and he just died because the arena was too small. Here we go. Y'all ready? So we just drop these in the middle and just run around in circles.
Glorious attempt to wrest the title champion from me.
Oh man.
I couldn't care less about your
We'll just need to run away and we'll win.
Shouldn't you share it with the Minotaur? He's more than half the reason you've been in trouble.
You'll not drive a wedge between us, fiend. Asterius and I share a fraternal bond forged from the
Bromance.
Nay, adamant. You have caused us both offense, so die.
Sure, all right then.
At you.
They do not know it, but they are already dead. So it begins. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. It's not fair. Well, we killed Theseus first.
You're next, Bullman. Not yet.
This poor idiot just doesn't know that it's already over for him. All right, goodbye, Minotaur.
Can I get some applause or something here?
I was just what? That's what I was doing. Oh.
Myself.
Oh.
Hope you enjoyed the show, my good.
I got like a high off of that. I barely needed to do anything. And GG! Oh no, now I'm over here! Now I'm over here! Now I'm over here! Oh, okay. Oh, we can do this. We are going to do this. Rocks. Yes, yes, exactly. You mean fire our cast at the rocks intentionally, right? That's what you mean? Yeah.
Been waiting long?
Oh, back here really soon, guys.
You now know that even if you are able to surpass me, you shall ultimately perish soon enough. And yet you still persist. Utterly senseless.
Okay. So he's willing to talk about it.
I found her father.
Yeah.
I'm going to find Mother
Yeah.
and again until I have some answers.
Uh-huh.
Finally. She'd like some answers too, beginning with, why did you never tell her that I lived?
Yeah.
I let her go and left her to her grief.
Silence, boy. Save all your ignorant and baseless accusations. You seem incapable of heeding my request that you not blather on about a matter you shall never understand. Then I shall save my breath for this fight.
All right, guys. I'm getting the music on. Rolling our shoulders. Let's go. It's our time. All right, here it goes, here it goes. So it doesn't strike him while he's invisible. But yeah, the damage is just popping off. Look at that. And the critical hits from it charge my,
It'll take you getting out of my blasted way.
You cannot talk to me that way.
Well, I just...
You won't do it again.
Okay.
Get out. Sure, you could have avoided that. Darkness.
Okay, that's one.
Oh, that hurt, damn it. Like that?
Okay. Easy. So now we set them up.
All right then, boy. You've stirred our anger suitably by now.
All right. Yeah, I understand. But we're just gonna do the genius move and intentionally miss.
With this. Out of my sight.
Yep. There we go. Do this immediately.
I can't.
Go back.
Can't do that.
All right. Clean. Clean.
You're not going to cooperate with me on this, are you? Even now, knowing Mother
Whew.
won't see me again.
It's like a dam. We broke the dam and now everything is just flowing. It's just going. All right.
Blast you. You shall ruin everything. With all damn old questions.
Then die already and get the hell out of my way.
That is awesome.
You'll never truly win.
Back to back. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, bye, Dad.
In the name of Hades.
All right. No wonder you guys were saying that was the tutorial before. That was just the weirdest, dumbest build. And, oh, we can free run now. Okay. So now it's about go to see her as fast as possible because, you know, because we only have so much time with her. Yeah, we're back, Mom.
All manner of fruits and vegetables thrive within the hidden
Oh.
lands of Persephone, the
Oh.
one-time queen of all the underworld. The world of life, far from the realm of death.
Awesome.
What are these things?
Yeah. We're back already. Yeah. Hey, Mom.
Begged the fates that you'd return to me. Perhaps I ought to be more careful how I speak of them. Tell me, how was your journey? What happened?
Father didn't make it any easier for me, nor would he tell me why he never sent for you after you left. So, I don't know what's going on still, but I wanted to see you again.
Oh.
I wanted to see you too. Come, speak with
Yeah,
me,
yeah.
that our time together here may be as full as possible, all right?
All right.
I need to know what happened between you and Father.
Yeah.
Why are you here and not
Yeah.
with us?
I couldn't
Please.
live with myself anymore down there.
Okay.
After I left Olympus, a
Tell
long
us, tell
story
us.
in itself, I came to be with your father in the underworld. It was a shock, to say the least. The
Okay.
others in your father's house were welcoming enough, but I never felt that I belonged.
Gotcha.
I know
All
the
right.
feeling, I think. But you stayed long enough to have me. Those whom I've spoken to about you, it's,
Yeah,
as you said,
they loved
they
you.
have fond memories of you. And then you even had a child. Did Father... Did he
Oh.
mistreat you?
No.
Okay.
Father could be very difficult, though he was gentle with me. Soon enough, we got on fine. Better than fine at times, but when I was a child, I struggled terribly. Because child born of surface dwellers could not live down there.
Oh, that's why we died. So we had to be made into something that should survive in Hades.
Could not live down there according to whom exactly? The fates?
According to them, yes.
Okay.
According to your father and to Nyx. Even having heard,
Oh,
took my chances anyway.
that would just break her heart.
But when you emerged stillborn, it was too
Oh.
much. I fled.
Oh.
I fled and came to reside here. Above the notice of the underworld,
Oh.
beneath the notice of Olympus.
Okay.
But why would Father
Ah,
let
here
you?
it is again.
If he never wanted you, never wanted me, surely he had the means.
I
Oh.
don't know. I'm wondering the same. But oh, look at you, Zagreus. We're running out
Oh.
of time. It's happening again. Stay with me, please.
Oh.
I'm
Yeah.
trying, but I can't stay that much longer, I don't think.
Oh. Zagreus is such a badass. Just the fact that he's literally dying here. He is dying right now. Oh.
My dear son. Then please, ask Hades what you asked of me.
Why would he lie?
Why he
Yeah.
would lie. Tell him I must know, the same as you. And you farewell.
Oh.
Until we meet again.
Hi, Mom.
Until we...
Oh, and the struggle. Oh, it's so good. So good.
Father, you...
All right. Dang, that was a run, too.
Whoa, what happened to you? You just died? Just plain died, like nothing stabbed you, bludgeoned you, poisoned you, burned you, crushed you?
Yes, those are all the...
Stone, but you're back here. Must have been those natural causes mortals talk about.
Whoa, natural causes. Meaning... Oh, no! Wait, I think I've just figured it out. I think I've just figured something out. We're not a god. We're not a god. We are human. But there is something that is giving us the ability to be a god, have godlike attributes in this place specifically. But once we leave, then everything about that curse or that blessing, however you want to say it, that boon, haha, a boon of Hades even, then it catches up to us and you know, we're ancient. We're, you know, something like that. And then, oh. Damn it, then. Where are you? Oh, these two talking. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Oh.
In spite of my insistence, you do not. What do you expect that I should do about this, Nyx? What would you do in my position? Deception in my very house and home.
Come on, Hades.
Answer me.
Hades, my relationship with him remains unchanged. It is the very same relationship from when you first requested I take care of him. He has my full support and always shall. You must know this. He wishes now to leave. I shall make no attempt to stop him.
You know, I just realized about Nyx's design. It's really cool. She has elements of the star kind of chaos stuff in her, and she has that same effect on her voice as well.
What good is any one of you? He's not even your son, and yet you coddle him. You know as well as I that he cannot succeed. You fill his mind with harmful delusions. If that is what you want for him, then please, proceed at pace.
They're at it again, because of me.
Yeah, awkward.
Hey, now that's what I'm talking about. Thanks, boyo. Won't forget you doing me a solid like this. Cross my heart.
Yeah.
No need to thank me, mate. But don't you dare forget it, or I'll attack you repeatedly and without mercy.
Nice, nice.
Say, Skelly, how'd you get here anyway?
Oh, you know, just kind of zapped right in like Papa lets us do. Some of us sometimes. Why do you ask?
I meant, how did you get to the realm of the dead in the first place? Lord Hermes
Oh.
you to the entryway?
Interesting.
Thanatos scoop you up, Charon give you a lift? What?
Oh, well, that's a little personal, don't you think, boyo? I don't like to talk about it much.
Whoa.
So if I could have a little privacy.
Oh, shoot. Skelly. What was that all about? Bonus damage, maybe? Extreme measures? All right, let's try it. Yeah. 3 more dashes. Yeah. Let's go. As long as it's not Electo. Come on. Please be Meg. Please be Meg. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, no, no, no. What is this?
We've had a chance to talk.
No.
Come to an agreement, Zagreus.
Oh, God.
As you can see.
Oh, no. I'm facing all 3 of them.
You ready?
No. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Was that what Extreme Measures does? You bastards. Oh, okay. So it's like one at a time. Easy. Get out of here. You might have actually needed all 3 to be an actual challenge.
The sisters left.
Whew. Look at those dashes. Look at that. There we go.
Snagman, I was just attempting here to get our good friend Artemis to finally make an appearance at one of my feasts. It's wouldn't you know she's all preoccupied.
Wait,
something about a
duo? Duo? Is this a duo?
That's right, Lord Dionysus.
A duo with Artemis!
There's lots and lots of total quiet and clear-minded focus. So if you'll excuse me.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! They're more likely to take critical damage. Okay. Bonus critical chance per hangover. And we can stack hangover, right? Dionysus really loves us in this one, yeah.
I have recovered, as you can plainly see, monster, as has Asterius. And this time, we are filled with renewed vigor to destroy you utterly.
So we're locked in an endless cycle of violence, basically.
Exactly.
I guess that's one way for you to pass the time here in this stodgy place.
Yep, yep.
You take that back about Elysium. Or better, I shall make you eat those careless careless, inappropriate remarks.
You ready, chat?
Asterius, to war!
You ready? You ready for us to unleash war upon them? Let's do this. Yeah. Yeah. Poor Hades, dude. He has no idea what's coming for him.
The fearsome Cerberus accepts the satyr sack.
You guys ready for a third Hades kill in the same stream? In the same stream? Here we go.
You were never supposed to live.
Oh, here it is. Here it is.
Now you cannot stay dead.
Gotcha. Hence why Nyx is basically our mother figure. Yeah, because she saved us. Yep. Okay.
I was never meant to be born, since neither you nor Mother are of the underworld, something like that. Or was it just another lie you told to Mother and whoever else?
Oh.
You think everything a lie. The realm beneath our feet was appointed to me on certain conditions. Not that I had much choice.
Oh!
Time surfaced to
No!
never have an heir.
No! No way!
You really believe that? Then why attempt to have a child anyway?
Oh!
You don't know anything.
Wow!
Why anyone would choose to have a child is a mystery to me. The fates said I would never have an heir. Perhaps this was all they meant.
Gotcha. That we wouldn't inherit the underworld for you. Doesn't mean you wouldn't have a son or a daughter. Welcome to the blender machine, my buddy.
Not finished then?
Now that we had our little
war,
it is time that we began in earnest.
All right, what are you gonna show me, Hades? Show me something I haven't seen before. Let's do this.
That does it.
I'm out.
Nowhere to hide from me.
Done! Done! You're done!
You think you are superior to me?
I am, at this point, yeah. Woo! New record. 30 minutes and 34 seconds. Oh. Oh.
Welcome back, my son.
It's good to be back. Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna check if there's any fish over here. Okay. Look at me, Mom, I can do this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, this is different. I'm keeping my boons. Look at this. Whoa, wait a minute. We're getting stronger. Before, we didn't have this. Look at me, I'm bringing back the power of the gods into the human world. Whoa, okay.
Mother, I discovered.
I still want to gift her, though.
Believe that I could not survive past birth. He didn't lie to you exactly, so he says.
Okay.
Wait,
Yeah.
slow down, Zagreus. What do you mean? He told me you would not survive your birth, yet here you are. How wasn't that a lie?
Well, I died.
Because he thought it was the truth. The fates appointed him dominion over the entire underworld, but he would never have an heir, so he was led to understand. He never expected me to be born, much less survive.
Aww.
Never expected you to survive. Then, forgive my asking, but why did you? How did you? The fates are not known for making mistakes when it comes to such things.
Nyx saved my life. Or gave me life, I guess. Then raised me in your absence. The fates are her daughters, right? Maybe she persuaded them to go easier on me. She cannot say more. In any case, apparently it took her quite a while to revive me, and by then you were gone.
Yeah.
Nyx.
Oh.
Of course she was involved.
Okay.
I only managed to escape because of her. Then she restored my stillborn son to life and nurtured him? And I never would have known unless that child, fully grown and having learned the truth, defied his father and then found me here.
Yeah, and she didn't tell Persephone about this.
Yes, although we still don't know how come Father and Nyx never
Yep.
sent for you.
Yep.
Though, let me ask you something, Mother, if you please. If you had found out that I was born and very much alive, would you have come back?
Good
Would I
question.
have come back to see my only child?
Oh.
Had I but known you lived, I would have gladly gone through hell again to see you, Zagreus. Of course I would have.
So pure and precious.
What if Father didn't want you doing that?
What if he didn't want me coming back to him? Or seeing you? Oh no, you're fading again, Zagreus. You've pushed yourself too hard. But what is it you meant by what you said?
And we die, of course.
A hunch of mine.
Yep, yep. Zag is smart. Zag is smart.
Be back.
All right. Oh, we're definitely going to be back now. Like, look at how much we've done.
Wanted her to leave, didn't he?
Uh-huh.
Nyx, you saved my life.
Yeah.
Gave me life when I was born. Father told me. I don't know what to say. Why didn't you tell me?
There are many things that I am not at liberty to speak of, child, through my own binding choice. These circumstances are among them. Suffice it to say that your revival required the extent of my ability and considerable time.
I never should have been born. Is that what the fates wanted? Did you defy your own daughters?
Silence.
Oh.
Thus.
Whoa. Nothing new. Wait, did it say actually rest?
Excellent.
Go lie down. Oh my god. Another cutscene incoming. Here we go.
I'm late for work. Father's going to kill me.
Whoa, the mirror's gone. What is this? Oh. Oh. What's this? New area.
You're late, boy. Again?
The day or night's duties are sheer simplicity itself.
Okay.
At least at first. As when the prince simply signs in to signal the commencement of a shift.
Okay, I'm done. So, can I go yet, Father?
Not only were you late again, but then you also failed to perform even the simplest tasks that I had asked repeatedly that you complete. How many chances do you need at this? I am too lenient with you.
Lenient? Instead of lambasting me non-stop, have you considered maybe training me some more to do this fascinating work to your satisfaction? You'll forgive me if I didn't memorize every laborious detail the last time you performed your monologue about how all this works.
Excuse me?
Oh.
If I'm not mistaken, you're deflecting your incompetence toward me? As though the goddess of wisdom herself has come to aid you in your time of need. I could replace you here and now with any number of simple shades hungry to work here.
You should want this.
Then why don't you? I don't want any of this.
Yeah.
I'm not the one who drew the short lot with your brothers and got stuck here forever. Why am I having to do this senseless parchment pushing for you?
Why are you stuck? You're not. You're fired. I was wrong to think you were prepared to take on any responsibility at all. And don't you ever invoke your uncles here again.
Ooh.
I'll have you cast into the lowest pits of Tartarus. Now,
well,
get under my administration and my sight.
Okay.
At least I can't be late for that job anymore.